We are here, we are here, we are here. On this amazing day. Okay, everyone, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis, and we are marking up Tsla stock. We are on the monthly time frame. Price action. Last candle to the right hand side is a bullish green candle, can be engulfing the second last candle or creating that resistance to come down from that area. So we do have price action. Overall, higher highs. Price action. Overall, lower lows. Midpoint. Also adding second level highs. And if price work his way up to that next level, so price is currently sitting at 299.68, and if price work his way up, it can head up to the price action overall highest high and second level highs, which would be at 326.62. And if price work his way down from that area, price can head down to the areas of 236.08, and that's between overall midpoint and second level highs. So if this market is going to work its way up for this uptrend, market is identifying a pattern at that area of support. So we can be identifying that first leg, second leg, third leg, and price action is pushing up for that fourth leg now. If it's engulfed the second last candle, we can see that W formation until price reaches the next SR line, which will be priced at 326.62. And let's say if prices decline from this area, price is coming from a pattern at the high, drawing out that first leg, second, third, fourth. So we do have an M pattern. What comes after that? The retest. If we receive a bearish red candle, a pattern in this area, market's coming down from a double top and a retest. So we can see price action, second last candle, side by side, which is consolidation, waiting for that price to engulf the next area. So we'll see if that's happening as we walk down the time frame. Walking down from the weekly time frame, price action, bullish green candle engulfing the second last candle, which is a bearish red candle that stopped at an area support. Price action is engulfing the second last candle and some of the third last candle, doji, long wick up to that top third last candle that can push that market up. So we can see that market's trying to break an area of price action high, price action low. So we can have an area of resistance here. So we can see price action is near that area. So we're looking for the break if that market's going to work its way further up. And we can see that price action is coming from that pattern at that low, some type of double bottom or triple bottom in that area with the retest, and the market pushed up. So it's an overall retest. So identifying that first, second, third, fourth retest, market pushed up once. So it came from a triple bottom. Market came back to retest that previous area, and we're looking for the engulfment, which we do have. So price can be pushing up. So as we walk down the time frame, we are looking for price to break this SR line to push up further. If not, it can be rejected, and then coming from a double top and a retest or overall triple top of that first, second, third, fourth retest, market's coming back down to that previous area. So if price work its way down on this weekly time frame, price can head down to the previous area SR lines nearing 268.99. Walking down to the daily time frame, price action on the daily time frame, bullish green candle coming from a pattern at that low. So we do have that coming down in red, first leg, second, third, fourth. So we have a double bottom. Market did break this SR line, made it to the next SR line. We didn't see a retest here, So we're going to see if that market's going to come back down and retest and push up further, or is the price going to work its way out of this SR line, retest, and then work its way up to the next level. Walking down to the 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, price action is identifying as a bullish green candle, long wick down to the bottom. Look at something like a doji. It's very small, so still weak candles. Could be a doji, a weak candle, or just a push down for some type of retest. Side by side with the second last candle, showing that that market did spike that area twice. Market is also in the area of a zone. So with that SR line, a little below the SR line, a little bit above the SR line, price did spike that zone area. So we're going to identify what's going to happen as we walk down the time frame. It's going to push and break into it, or it's going to be rejected at this resistance and work its way back down to at least the midpoint area. So if the market does work its way down from this area, it can head down to the previous numbers of price of 291.67, still create some momentum and push back up. If not, we'll see the breakout for price to break into that zone area of that resistance of the SR line. Walking down to the 3-hour time frame, identifying the same thing, price action, small candle, bullish, green, or some type of doji, second last candle, green candle, some side by side. Price action, 2-hour time frame, bullish green doji, spike down to that low of that candle. Second last candle is a retest. So let me draw out what we see. What's happening in this market? Market spiked up, came back to retest. We're going to see the market's going to break out of it. So market's coming from that break and retest to head up to that SR line. Walking down to the 1-hour time frame. Price action, second last candle, side by side with the third last candle, consolidation. So market's still working its way up. Major area supports with the wicks. We have a break, a retest. Market broke again, retest at this area of support. So if it's respected for the price action to engulf the second last candle, market's working its way up for an incline W into that zone area. Zooming in to see what's going on. Walking down to the 45-minute time frame. Price action, 45-minute time frame. We do have price action engulfing the second last candle, third last candle, and fourth last candle dojis. Price action candle long wick down to that bottom, creating that area of support with the second last candle. So this market can be pushing into that zone, working its way up further. So as we can see that double bottom forming, and we'll talk about that in a 30-minute time frame. Price action on a 30-minute time frame, bullish green candle, long wick down to that bottom, identifying that area of support. So we can see that incline first, second, third, and market's pushing into that zone with that incline double bottom. Walking way down to the 15-minute time frame. Price action on the 15-minute time frame, bullish green candle, more like a large doji. It broke into that area of the zone, engulfing the second, third last candle, can be pushing up with some more momentum. Walking down to the 5-minute time frame. Same as well, so market's reading the same thing, price action coming from a double bottom, overall first, second, third, and market's pushed up into that zone. So what we're identifying is looking for that retest or a red candle for that market to engulf with a bullish green candle to work its way up from a double bottom and a retest. Price action on a 3-minute time frame, engulfment of the previous side, so market's working its way up. On the 1-minute time frame, reading the same thing as well. Okay guys, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis. Thank you for watching and thank you for your attention. TSLA stock.